Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create an account for Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Badoo in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now. I'm simply gonna click on this application right here. Then this will open up. It's giving me a few options to sign up. Like here's the first option, I can select my gender, or I can continue with my Apple ID, Facebook. There's also a button like this that says continue other way. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then this will open up. I can sign it with my email or phone, Facebook, Apple ID, or simply cancel. I'm gonna hit on cancel right now. I'm gonna start with the first tip. I'm gonna click on my gender right here. Now I'm gonna write my name right here. And once everything's done, I'm simply gonna hit on continue. Now it's asking me for my permission for notifications. I'm simply gonna hit on continue. I'm gonna click on allow right now. Now it's giving me a few options like this, asking me why I'm here. To date, chat, or ready for a relationship. Select whichever one you wish. I'm gonna select this one and click on continue. Now what you need to do is simply enter your date of birth. I'm gonna enter it right now. And once everything's okay, again, I'm gonna hit on continue. Now what you need to do is simply enter your email address right here. I'm gonna enter it right now. And once you've entered it, simply hit on continue. Now it's asking me for my permissions, whether it wants to send me email offers. I don't want it, so I'm gonna hit on no thanks. Now what you need to do right here is select who would you like to see. Select the one of your preference. There's men, women, and everyone. Select whichever you like and hit on continue. It's gonna ask you to choose at least 2 pictures. Simply click on this camera-like icons right here. Then you're gonna be given an option like this, whether you want to click your photo or connect with Facebook or Instagram. You can also upload photos from your mobile device as well. Simply hit on this your photos button right here. Now select the photo. Right now I have selected the 2 photos. Now I'm simply gonna click on upload. The button's on the top right. Well, it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. And once everything's done, let's click on continue. Now what you need to do is simply enter your password right here. Do make sure that your password is strong. And once everything's okay, let's simply hit on let's go. Finally, it's gonna ask you to share your location. Simply hit on continue. And guys, that's it. Let's simply hit on next. Let's click on next again. Right now, we don't want to subscribe to the premium version, so let's click on maybe later. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a Badoo account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.